So, Bea, the Glaukos project is organizing a Stakeholder Lab workshop on the 3rd of March.
Yes.
One of the challenges that we will be discussed during this workshop will be related to the end of life. Can you briefly explain these challenges and what we are looking, for in the Stakeholder Lab workshop?
Yeah. I think the first one, which is a high-level challenge and is a cross-cutting issue in Glaukos in the full project, is helping to tackling and mitigate microplastic pollution in the oceans. And we have to do that by addressing one of the main contributors to marine litter, which are microplastics derived from fishing gear and clothing. So that's a high-level one. If I were to break it down, then I have to separate, to talk separately about the two end-of-life solutions. For end-of-life solution one, that is the main challenge. Still, in this first end-of-life solution, then comes the integration of this biodegradability assessment with the ecotoxicity assessment. And the third challenge is to take that and apply it to the materials, the polymers, the fibers, the coating, the additives that will be produced in Glaukos. Okay, so those are the main challenges to succeed in that for this first end-of-life solution. With regards to the second end-of-life solution, the biorecycling, the first challenge is to identify enzymatic catalysts that are able to degrade, to depolymerize the Glaukos materials. So that is a major challenge. After the results, the best performers will be modified, improved, doing enzymatic evolution in order to produce better catalytic enzymes. So that's one challenge for the end-of-life solution too. Another challenge will be to do just the opposite. Instead of depolymerizing, taking those building blocks you obtain from degradation of the Glaukos materials, polymers, and build upon them, to use those materials as building blocks to produce new materials. For that, the challenge is to identify, again, catalytic enzymes, but with a different profile. Okay. A third challenge for this solution, and for that we will count on the help of the bio-based European pilot plan, is to scale up those processes. So to make them viable and operational at the pilot plant scale at least.